Saturday, December 13th, get ready Coachella Valley for the Ultimate Heart Tribute Band, Dog and Butterfly. The only Heart Tribute Band personally endorsed by Ann and Nancy Wilson. Dog and Butterfly is coming to Miracle Springs Resort and Spa in Desert Hot Springs, Coachella Valley's newest concert venue. Opening up the big show is the amazing band Sunkist. One night only, Saturday, December 13th at 8:30 p.m. Dinner doors open at 7. Dog and Butterfly. This is the heart experience you've been waiting for. Produced by Sound Attractions.